Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and has enough battery. This avoids transient bugs. Once done, reboot the device. A soft restart first, and if the wallpaper still goes black, perform a forced restart to clear UI cache. Next, open Photos and verify the image file opens. Corrupted hike or hidden files can fail to render. Make sure you're using the image directly from Photos, not a cloud placeholder, so the system has the full file locally. Now you act on the system settings that control rendering. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper and apply it to lock screen, home screen, or both. This ensures you trigger the full set operation. Disable perspective zoom and any live photo motion because animations or parallax can fail and show black. Then check accessibility and display settings. Reduce transparency or aggressive auto lock can interact poorly with rendering. If the image still blacks out, export it as JPEG and try again to eliminate hike issues. Finish with advanced recovery steps when simple fixes fail. First, try reset home screen layout, then reset all settings. These preserve data but restore defaults that often fix display bugs. If that doesn't help, back up to iCloud or Finder, then perform a full restore. As a last resort, use DFU restore to rewrite firmware. Make sure to test the same wallpaper on another Apple device or with another Apple ID to isolate account versus device issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.